Ain't nothing in my pocket. I put mine in my pocket.
Keep your hands out
I'm
of your
pulling my
pocket.
phone.
Keep your hands.
I got my phone.
Go on the ground now.
I got my phone.
You're done. You're done.
I
Go to
got
the
my
ground.
phone.
Oh, I'm going to take you to the ground.
Hey, I look at this dude.
You either come over here and talk or you go to jail.
Say that again.
You can come here and talk to me, or you can go to jail for failing to identify yourself.
What's your name and your badge number?
Come over here. I'll give it to you.
No. What's your name and your badge number? What is your name? What is your name and your badge number? I don't have to come over there for you to give your name and your badge number.
You can go to jail if you fail to identify yourself and fail to listen to my command.
I don't have to listen to your command, and I'm not identifying myself to you.
Dressed like this.
Absolutely.
Show them what you're dressed like.
Yes.
You guys need to go over here.
I'm in public. You guys can't tell us to go.
No, I'm running my dog around.
I'll stay right here. I'll give you 10 feet. I'll give you 10 feet. Come on, you guys. Come on. I'm here just observing. That's it. All right. We'll take right here, bud. We're gonna give you guys.
Cameras are gonna really hurt your dog. And we're at a safe distance. We're a public property. We have the right to record you, We have the right to record you. Yes, we do. Put up tape if you don't like it. Stand there, officer and protector. You at the other end. Do your shit. Get to work. Shut up.
Let's just do your job. That's all. Just go and do your job. That's it. You don't even have to talk to us. You don't even have to talk to us. Just do your job. We pay you to do your job, and that's it. You don't tell me what to do, man. You got no authority over me. As long as I ain't impeding in nobody's travel, and you can't tell me what to.
Not to the car though.
We could go. Wait, you don't have no authority over me. How many times did I tell you? If I don't do nothing illegal, you guys are pathetic, man. I'm gonna go across the street whenever I want. What the heck's wrong with you guys? Exactly what I was doing. That's it. So don't try to have authority over everybody. That's why we're out here. No, there's no jaywalking. Okay? There's no jaywalking. There's no jaywalking. Look it up already. Okay, they stopped that crap already, guys. You guys still don't know that they stopped that crap? Really? You guys really don't know that they stopped that?
On Constitution Day in Appleton City, Missouri, an auditor films a bank from a public sidewalk when a commander arrives hot. Come here or go to jail. What follows tests the edge between suspicious and unlawful orders, ID on demand, commands from private property lines, and a supervisor who isn't wearing a body cam. How far can officer safety stretch before it snaps the First and Fourth Amendments? Stay with me, because the next few minutes decide who actually knows the Constitution.
Come here. Hey, come over here, bud.
He talking to me, telling me to come over here to him on their property.
Come over here, please. You in the green hat, wearing the mask, come over here.
That ain't how you talk to me.
What's up, man? You know you're in front of a bank? You can't hear? You sign language or what?
I can speak.
You can understand me? Well, why don't you take the mask off, man? You're worrying everybody around here.
I didn't speak to no one.
What's that?
I didn't speak to
Why don't you
anyone.
come over here? Why don't you come over here to me? Come on over here, bud.
Why would I come over there? He said I'm not obeying his commands. Why don't you come over here?
All right, you either come over here and talk or you go to jail.
Say that again?
You can come here and talk to me, or you can go to jail for failing to identify yourself.
What's your name and your badge number?
Come over here, I'll give it to you.
No. What's your name and your badge number? What is your name? What is your name and your badge number? I don't have to come over there for you to give your name and your badge number. What is your name and your badge? Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. And that's against your policy.
What's against my policy?
What is your name and your badge number?
Why don't you give me your name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah, he said he gonna take me to jail if I don't walk over there to him.
Hey, you know you're outside.
You hear y'all hear this dude?
You think that's normal?
I want him to come over here, y'all. I don't want him to think I got to come over there to him. Here, we coming over here to him. We coming over there to him. You said if I don't walk over here to you, you gonna take me to jail?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
2783.
Calm down, man.
You just told
Yes,
me
calm
if
down.
I don't walk to you, you gonna take me to jail.
That's not what I said.
Man, you are a liar, bro. You calling me a liar? I'm saying you said it.
Look how you're dressed.
I'm saying that you said it. You saying you didn't say that?
I said you can go to jail if you fail to identify yourself and fail to listen to my command.
I don't have to listen to your command, and I'm not identifying myself to you.
Dressed like this.
Absolutely.
Show them what you're dressed like.
Yes.
In front of the bank.
Absolutely.
In front of a bank.
Hey, I don't care where I'm. I don't care where. I can be in front of your grandmother's house.
You're a suspicious person.
For what crime?
You're getting calls in.
For what crime?
Officer threatens jail for failure to identify, unless the filmer walks over. Recording in public isn't RS for a crime. Without a lawful detention, compulsory ID demands are on thin ice. Orders to move from a public sidewalk need a clear, articulable safety basis, ideally marked with a visible perimeter.
Looking like that outside of a bank, man. That's all it is.
Bro, that is a. What's your name in your badge? No, what's your
It's
name?
right here.
M. Dobbs, bro. That's a piece of shit, bro. I didn't say nothing to you, man. I'm peaceful. I haven't spoke to
I know, but
nobody.
Then you need to leave.
I need to leave.
You can't be dressed like
Well,
this.
I'm not leaving.
You can't be dressed
What you
like this
mean?
outside the bank, man.
Man, I'm not going nowhere, bro.
You can't be dressed
I'm
like this
standing
outside
right
the
here.
bank. Well,
Hey, look,
give me
I'm
your
on the
ID.
sidewalk.
Give me your ID. You're under
I don't have
investigation.
no ID. For what
Give me your-
crime?
give me your ID.
For
You're
what?
under
Get your
investigation.
supervisor here. Get your
I
captain
am the
here.
supervisor.
Get
Shoot
your
that. What's that say?
supervisor.
What's that say?
Get the chief. The chief
She's
here.
unavailable.
The
She's
chief.
unavailable.
The chief don't come here for this.
What are you trying to do today?
Hey, I didn't try to do nothing.
Trying to get attention.
No, I didn't say
You got
nothing.
it. He's got your
I
everyone's
didn't say
attention,
no.
everybody.
I didn't say nothing
He's
to
got
nobody.
everyone's attention.
The only thing that got me
Right.
riled up is what you just said to me, bro.
Yeah, you can go to jail if you don't listen
You,
to us.
hey, you can go to jail
And
too.
you don't identify
hey, I'm
yourself.
gonna show you how you can go to jail.
Show
You
me.
can go to
Show
jail.
me.
Go ahead, just keep doing what you about to do.
Show me how I go to jail.
Keep doing what you about to do, buddy.
Okay.
I see
Well,
where you about to go. I
listen,
see where you about
what's
to go.
your first name, at least?
You gonna see where
What's your first name?
You can call me Daddy.
What's
Daddy.
your first name?
Daddy.
What's your first name?
Daddy.
You're trying to cause problems
I ain't
today.
seen
I
nothing.
get it, man. I get
Hey,
it.
listen, bro. I didn't say
You
nothing
want
to nobody.
attention, you want clicks. I get it.
I
man.
didn't say
All right,
nothing to
take care.
nobody. I didn't say nothing to
All
nobody.
right, still irate, not listening to anything.
I'm all right when you came yelling at you
You
came
can't
down
stand
here.
outside the bank like this.
Why
man.
can't I? Why can't I'm on the public?
Look,
I'm in
why are
public.
you wearing a mask?
I'm in public.
You think COVID's out here?
Yes, you hit it
COVID's
on the
out here.
nose. You hit it on the nose.
COVID's out here.
You hit it on the nose.
Here's what's
See
up.
what happened when
Here's
you
what I
use
hit
your
on the
brain a
nose.
little bit?
Here's what I'm hitting on the
Go
nose.
ahead and I'll tell you what I got a problem with.
You're hitting on the nose that you just want attention, man.
No, I
Is this-
don't.
is
No, I
is this your
don't.
crew over here playing basketball?
Who?
These guys over here shooting hoops.
Boy,
shooting
that
hoops
is
and you
so.
thought- you
Listen
thought
to what
you would-
he's saying.
You thought you would start trouble?
Shooting some hoops. I ain't trying to shoot nothing.
Yeah.
What day is it today? What's today's date? What national day is it?
I don't know.
What national day is it? Here, let me ask you another question. Let me help you out on what day it is.
Go ahead.
With the First Amendment, it grants you 5 freedoms. Can you give me 3 of them?
No.
Okay. Can you let me know what the 4th Amendment is?
No.
That's what you just did to me.
No.
You know what today is yet?
No.
You still don't know what today is. Hint. Are you an observant officer?
What?
Are you observant?
Yes. I am.
You worry about me being, what's in my hand?
A camera and the Constitution.
So what day is it today? Boy, you still don't know. Yeah, get your chief here. You got a business card on you?
She's not coming.
Do you got your business card on you? Write it down.
You don't need my
Write it down. I'm gonna get it regardless.
You don't need my
You gonna make me go through all that. You don't have a body camera on you, so nobody gonna see how you acting today.
You got it.
I did not want to do this.
God. Yeah, you did.
Do you know
wanted
what
this-
today is?
Yes.
What is
You-
today?
You wanted it today.
No, you don't. What is today?
You wanted the attention.
No, I
You
did
got
not.
it.
No, I did not. What is
How
today?
many people's gonna see this?
What is today?
People gonna click it tonight?
Maybe 100.
10,
Maybe 100.
Maybe 100.
So what?
But you gotta see
So
how it looks.
what? What is today?
Dressed like this in front of a bank, in front of businesses. Everyone's calling.
Look
in
how
on
I'm
you.
dressed out today,
They're
y'all.
concerned, man.
Look how I'm dressed. What is today? I'll give you a cheat code. Look at your calendar. Pull it up. It'll all make sense if you look it up.
The calendar.
Go look.
Don't got it on me, man.
Where your phone at?
It's inside the office. I'm in there doing
What is today? Oh my God.
Police reports, and I got people calling in saying there's a man dressed all funky and outside
All
the bank,
funky.
taking notes, video camera in the bank. You can't do stuff like that, man. That's not normal.
That is normal.
It's not normal.
So we're gonna make it normal because all I'm doing is exercising.
It's not normal.
It absolutely. If it ain't normal, we're gonna make it normal.
Yeah.
Start. And what better day than to start than today?
783-10-9.
What is today? Ask them what today is. Ask your dispatch what today is. Hey man, that's crazy.
Go over the radio for professional
Hey
stuff.
bro, it ain't nothing more professional than today.
Okay.
What is today? And the thing is, you actually required to do something today, and I just helped you out. This is what you can say you did for today.
Okay. What is it?
The thing is, you don't even know what today is.
Okay.
Oh my God. Apologize for coming and approaching me like you did.
No.
That ain't how you don't want to apologize?
Nope.
You think that's right? How you supposed to come to somebody?
That's exactly
You was
how-
yelling at
that's
me.
Exactly how I approach someone who's dressed like you in front of a bank.
Doing
acting
what?
Suspicious. Video.
What is he
camera
doing
and
wrong?
taking notes.
No
That's
crime.
what the people
Taking
see.
notes,
The people-
but you gotta
the people don't
come.
see a nice guy just acting
Hey
silly.
bro, you gotta
They
come.
don't see the nice guy just acting
You
silly.
kicked that
He's a
off.
suspicious
I
guy.
even didn't respond.
Acting
I tried to let you recover, bro. I really did.
I have nothing to recover.
Okay, you don't see nothing wrong. You think what you doing
I
is
see
right.
Everything that's wrong.
Uh-huh.
And it's going to go down exactly how you want it to go
Uh-huh.
down here in a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Let me see if your supervisor know what day it is.
She doesn't know either.
Okay, that's a damn shame. How come y'all don't know what today is? Y'all must don't follow policy. You didn't want to get me your name and your badge when you approached me. You made contact with me. I asked you for your name. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You said when you come, you said come over.
All right,
I don't know you. I know you're a piece of shit.
What's that?
Look how you came. You told me you'd take me to jail if I don't approach you.
No.
If I don't give you my,
if you don't identify yourself,
I'm not gonna identify.
Identify.
I'm not gonna identify.
It's just simply.
You need
Let me
reasonable
do my
articulation. You
investigation.
don't know what the Fourth Amendment is. Would you
What
like
is
to read it?
Read it. You read it.
You read
Let me hear
it.
Let me hear it.
It's to be secure in your persons, papers, houses, and effects.
Are you in your places, houses, and effects?
Okay,
right
what's your RAS of a crime? You need reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime to ID me.
here? No, I don't.
Okay. Oh my God, y'all. I'm tell you, out of all days, y'all, this officer wanted to break. He wanted to break it.
Just to investigate.
Uh-huh.
Suspicious call. Here's the thing. though, Chief.
Don't cover up your name.
Here's the thing.
This is the
When
assistant
it-
chief.
When it comes to.
Hey y'all, this
for service,
is
it's all
the
different, man.
assistant.
When it comes to a call.
Oh,
for
my
service,
Lord.
It's different, man.
This is the assistant chief.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So 3 years ago, would you arrest somebody for wearing this?
3 years ago.
3 years ago. During COVID.
You're not getting arrested for wearing a mask.
You-
You're just getting calls on being
You
suspicious for
just
wearing a
told
mask.
me
A
that you would
mask,
arrest me.
glasses,
I'm
goofy
saying
hat,
that you said it.
goofy hat,
You telling me you didn't say it?
taking pictures, video camera.
Okay, man.
What they see is you write notes. Not that you're studying your Constitution, man. That's awesome. You're studying. Your
Exactly. They
Constitution.
don't know, but
Yeah,
you supposed to
yeah.
know.
No, I don't know that until I come up and talk to you.
Bro, you never came up. You're not
I'm not
professional.
going to approach you.
Why?
It's common sense.
Ah.
I'm not going to approach someone dressed like you
Ah.
in front of a bank
With nothing.
taking camera,
Yes.
taking notes, taking camera,
Yes.
and just willy-nilly approach you.
Yes. Okay. You told me you would take me to jail if I don't approach you.
Yeah.
You said that. Then you said you didn't say it, man. I got you on camera saying it, bro.
Yeah, you can go to jail for not identifying
You
yourself
can,
and not-
hey, you can go to
once-
jail.
once
If you
we're-
go in there,
once
you can
the
go to
police are
jail.
involved,
If
once
you
the
go
police are-
in there, you can go to jail if you take some money. Don't use the word if. Let's talk about what's actually happening. You could go to jail. I'm not doing nothing. I'm on the public sidewalk holding the fucking Constitution in my hand on Constitution Day. This is National Constitution Day. You the assistant chief. You supposed to be doing some type of amendment activity. Boy. Yes, because you came and you said you would take me to jail. Yes.
For not identifying
I'm not going to identify.
yourself to obey my orders.
Hey, you could. I don't have to follow unlawful orders. I don't have to follow unlawful orders. Okay. Okay. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm a little riled up. You told me you gonna. He gonna say I'll take you to jail if you don't approach me. You don't give me your ID. What? What? This is the.
Keep your hands out of your pocket.
This is the. Ain't nothing in my pocket. I put mine in my pocket.
Keep your hands out
I'm
of your
pulling my
pocket.
phone.
Keep your hands.
I got my phone.
Go on the ground now.
I got my phone.
You're done. You're done.
I
Go to
got
the
my
ground.
phone.
I'm gonna take you to the ground.
Hey, look at
Go
this
to the
dude.
ground. I'm gonna take you to the ground.
Hey, look at this dude, y'all. Look what he's doing to me for getting my phone. I got my
Put your
phone.
hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. You wanna play silly games?
All I did was get my phone.
The takedown after. Hands out of pockets. When the filmer pulls the phone. Officer safety commands matter, but proportionality does too. Absent weapon cues, escalating to force over a phone risks turning a consensual contact into a Fourth Amendment problem.
All I did was get my phone. You saw that, man.
Clear to obey. You don't reach in your pockets when you're dealing with police officers.
Sir, I'm not detained.
When you're dressed like you are, and you're acting like you are, you don't go in your pockets when an officer tells you not to go in your pockets.
My hand was already in my pocket. All I did was pull out my phone and told you I had my
wasn't.
phone.
Turn your wrist so it doesn't get hurt. Outbound. Right there. Hang on. I gotta get this fit.
Boy, you doing this on National Constitution Day.
2783, be advised, one just in custody.
You doing this on National Constitution Day. You see I'm out here just exercising my rights.
No, you're out here doing what you want to do.
I didn't say nothing to nobody, bro. It's okay. You know exactly what I'm doing, man. And you did that.
Move your wrist this way.
And I called for your chief. I asked for your supervisor,
You got
man,
me.
to help you out.
You got me, that's who you got.
It's okay. He got me on the ground. For my cell phone, bro. This is crazy.
In there.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you,
soda
Miss Peggy.
machine.
I appreciate your professionalism.
Oh,
I know you ain't got nothing to do with this. I appreciate you too, and y'all know where to go see it.
Thanks.
Yes, y'all. Yes. So we definitely just got out of jail, y'all. We got out of jail. This is not the people that arrest me, though, y'all. Hey, Appleton City, I believe, that arrested me, and they brought me up to them. And Miss Peggy was professional. Everything I told her, she went and checked with her supervisor before she made an official call on it, y'all. This is wild. And we definitely now got all this work to do, y'all. But if y'all love the content, if y'all want to keep pushing me to get y'all these videos, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and most definitely leave a comment, y'all. What?
The auditor is cuffed and taken into custody. Later released, he describes being transported to another facility and thanks a separate supervisor for professionalism. Lessons: 1. Filming on a public sidewalk is protected. 2. Failure to ID hinges on a lawful stop. Mere suspicion isn't enough. 3. If police want distance, they should establish a clear perimeter. 4. Activate body cams during enforcement to protect everyone. On a Pasco, Washington stop, cameras roll as officers fence off a scene and a citizen pushes back. Public sidewalk, safe distance, keep working. The question isn't attitude, it's authority. How far can police move you without tape? When does lawful order become unlawful restriction? And what happens when the Constitution, first and fourth, meets real-world street policing?
Check it out, peeps. They already arrested the guy. Seen it from down the street, and I was like, what's going on? Let me go check it out. Check it out when we get there. Look at all that congestion they end up doing. Did they just let you out the vehicle? No? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, just want to know. Here we go, peeps. Out here ruining people's lives. Bunch of life ruiners, man. Bunch of life ruiners, man.
over here.
I'm in public. You guys can't tell us to go.
Go back.
No, I'm running my dog around.
I'll stay right here. I'll give you 10 feet.
Go back to
I'll give you 10 feet. Come on, you guys. Come on. I'm here just observing. That's it. All right. Right here, bud. We're gonna give you guys.
Cameras are gonna really hurt your dog. And we're at a safe distance. We're a public property. We have the right to record you we have the right to record you. Yes, we do. Put up tape if you don't like it. Stand there, officer and protector. You at the other end. Do your shit. Get to work. Shut up.
Just do your job. That's all. Just go and do your job. That's it. You don't even have to talk to us. You don't even have to talk to us. Just do your job. We pay you to do your job, and that's it. You don't tell me what to do, man. You got no authority over me. As long as I ain't impeding in nobody's travel, and you can't tell me what to do, you have no legal rights over me. Understand that. Understand that. You guys are gonna understand that. That's why we're out here. What do you think we're out here for? Just nothing? What's wrong with you guys? Do your job and that's it. You have no authority over me unless I do something criminal. Well, how else are they gonna learn? What the hell? Get his name and badge number once again, dude. Pathetic. Can't just do your job. Got all the rights in the world.
Officers verbally push the filmer back without tape or clear hazard. First Amendment protects recording in public. Police should set a visible perimeter if safety is at issue, not issue vague move-along commands.
Nobody's travel. This could easily be a sidewalk, sir. You have no authority over a person when they don't do nothing illegal. Do you understand that? I don't understand it. What part of the Constitution that you guys took an oath to protect our rights and you guys don't?
You didn't ask to go this way, okay? You didn't ask
already know.
If you want to go
We already
this
know
way,
from Peoples. She's already put my husband under arrest in a car.
Just because I tried passing by.
So I'm not gonna have it.
We don't have to listen to you.
are you gonna listen?
No, I don't have to.
Okay. If you want to go this way, you can't go this way, right? But
Last time, what happened, Peoples, when my husband was
Well,
walking
what happened when I was trying to cross? Just like he's saying. What happened? Okay, we'll ask her what happened when I was trying to do a pass.
We're not here to argue.
So that way, when they're circling, they can. That way they're safe.
Because what happened, Peoples, last time? What happened, people, last time? You can't walk all the way. Peoples,
What happened last time? What happened last time? I was walking by, and what'd you do? What'd you do? You apprehended me, put me in the cuffs, kidnapped me. Come on, just go that way. We ain't gonna do nothing criminal on our own phone. Come on. Just do your. We're just monitoring and do your job. That's it. All right, then just do your job. Why you guys babysitting us? We don't pay you for that. We don't pay you guys to do that. Oh, there's Smiley Tyrant. We know that one too. They boosted her up, huh? No more regular car, huh? Smiley Tyrant. No more regular patrol car, huh? The more you violate, the more status you get to get a nicer car, or what? The more you violate people's rights. Do you know what the Fourth Amendment is, officer? Do you know what the Fourth Amendment is? I'm gonna come over here and talk crap now. Oh, so you're gonna have these guys babysit, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna make a wall.
So you're gonna have these guys babysit, huh?
You guys skipped it.
It's not their fault. It's her fault.
Yeah.
Name and badge number, though.
I'm sorry?
Name and badge number.
Name's Groves, badge number's 166.
Yeah, we got you, Rose. Your name and badge number? Officer, name and badge number?
165.
165. You don't have body cam?
What's
Is
your
your
name?
body cam
What's your last name?
Thank
Yep.
you. As soon as you interact with the club,
You're supposed to identify yourself. It's in your policy.
told you to interact with us. So you were.
So So is it that you guys took an oath to protect our rights, and that's the first thing you guys do? Do you guys know? That's the first thing you guys do? Instead of being, hey, right, you got the rights to travel?
So if we're free to stand here, then why the intimidation?
Yeah, why the intimidation if we're free to stand here? If we're free to stay, we're free to go, right?
Don't taxpayers have something
You are free to
better
go,
out
yes.
of you?
Right.
And we're free to stay.
Not to the car, though.
We could go. Wait, you don't have no authority over me. How many times did I tell you? If I don't do nothing illegal,
It's an active investigation.
Stay right here with me, okay? Catch.
you guys are pathetic, man. I'm gonna go across the street whenever I want. What the heck's wrong with you guys? Exactly what I was doing. That's it. So don't try to have authority over everybody. That's why we're out here.
You said
No, there's no jaywalking, okay? There's no jaywalking. There's no jaywalking. Look it up already. Okay, they stopped that crap already, guys. You guys still don't know that they stopped that crap? Really? You guys really don't know that they stopped that?
Still live over there.
is that in your business?
You still like at that house?
You still like over there?
26?
Yeah,
What's
so-
your name and badge number? Yes, it's your policy.
165.
What? Say it again.
Ramos 165.
Why you gotta be such a tyrant? It's illegal for you guys to sit there and be calling out my name and everything.
What's your name?
Why don't
You don't have to worry about my name.
I forgot it.
You just go get it. That's against the policy.
I mean, ironic, you look
I
them
will
up
go in tomorrow.
off duty
Believe
too,
me, I am
probably,
calling
or on
everything
duty, and that's
that
kind
I
of weird.
can.
You don't need to know my name.
How do we get a sergeant here?
really
I'll
weird.
request it.
You know what the Fourth Amendment is? What you guys swore an oath to?
And then
What's the Fourth
over here
Amendment?
to a police
Educate you.
officer's house, and we can't
Educator, what's the Fourth Amendment? My son knows it. And you guys don't know it? What's the Fourth Amendment?
go- I mean, like,
What is
You
it?
guys are police officers.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Protect
You took an oath to protect those
I
rights.
don't know, man.
Wow. What's the First Amendment?
You need to get retrained.
You don't know it either? You're that dumb and ignorant. She's that dumb and ignorant. What's the First Amendment? What I'm doing right now. What's the 5 elements of it? Do you know?
Freedom of press, baby.
Dang. You guys, that's why we're out here, because you guys need to step it up. Learn to not violate people's rights, because that's the first thing you guys do.
We're not
You guys are
police,
unbelievable.
right? We're dealing with Pasco police.
Unbelievable, peeps, what they do. So you guys don't care that you guys swore an oath to protect our rights? And that's why we're
People
mad?
go up in the community and they look at you, and kids look at you guys, and this is how you treat people. That's what they look at. Out of all what I read, all the comments, that's what I get back. How they treat their citizens.
You guys don't watch those First Amendment audit videos on YouTube? You guys need to. It'll educate you guys. Learn what you guys need to be doing. Constitution.
AK audits
Oh yeah, they know.
all the time.
Oh yeah, they know. Oh, you still live down there?
They do their own little research.
Yeah. Plenty of times. Not just that. Not just there. Plenty other times. You can't even know. Like violating people's rights all the time. You guys just don't care. Because you didn't get my name. You don't need to know my name. Unless I do something illegal or criminal. That's what my Fourth Amendment. Protection to my privacy. The Fourth Amendment. You guys took an oath to protect that right. And that's the first thing you guys do when you guys pull up. Oh, this and that. Give me ID. Shit. If someone has their...
Not sure. They're acting like smart asses.
It's alright. Fuck that. Sit it.
Really gotta take that long for you guys, a sergeant, to get here? That's crazy. That's how they handle it here in Pasco, Washington, peeps. They don't know anything about being constitutionally organized. They just
People standing on the sidewalk. I don't understand. I don't know.
Yeah, I can stand there too.
Yeah, you can stand there all you want.
But we don't pay you guys to just stand around. You guys should be investigating, doing whatever you guys need to do. You guys are acting like security guards at this point.
Well, it's alright. I got your badge, information. I will go in tomorrow.
You guys really need to check out the First Amendment videos, audit videos on YouTube. You ever watch those videos on YouTube? Huh? Hello? You ever watch those videos?
They got a cute dog.
You guys need to start watching them. It educates you guys to know what people feel about you guys and how you guys
educated on the law, but you don't have time to go and learn that.
You guys should have learned what they're trying to teach you guys from that YouTube. Yeah, read the Constitution. Look, I got one right here just for you guys to look. Pocket Constitution. You can read it from me. I'm retarded. I'm retarded. Look, guys. Pocket Constitution right here, guys. Calm down, feelings police. Calm down, feeling police. You see that? Pocket Constitution. You guys should have one, okay? In your pockets and read on it. What you guys swore an oath to protect. These rights. Our rights. But that's the first thing you guys do, huh? You can't just let us know. Hey, this and that. And you guys could be on your way. You got the rights to travel. Oh no. We need your papers, Nazism. We need your papers. Yeah, huh? How well you get take to that? That's kind of fucked up. That's kind of fucked up, you know. Yeah, you do. Well, where's your ID? Where's your license? Where's your insurance? Those are papers. Those are documents. This guy, buddy. Those are our documents. Privacy to our, rights. Our Fourth Amendment. Up until we do something illegal, just driving infractions, that ain't illegal. You better think about that and learn that shit. That's why we're out here. Look up at those videos, and those people are trying to teach you too, not just us. Don't just watch my video. My videos ain't. I understand. I ain't that well-spoken one, but other ones, no, they're shit. So you guys should learn it. Oh my gosh, look at it. Act like security. Act like security. Well, I ain't gonna go nowhere. I got a whole group right here, and I got people to tell them what the. Yeah, Supreme Court already freaking ruled. Supreme Court already ruled it. Look that up.
Look it up. It's
God.
looking it up and proving it wrong. Proving it wrong, and then you can tell me.
You have to set up a line. Set up a perimeter then. Set up a perimeter then. Set up a perimeter then.
If it's anything more major,
it's 8 to 10 feet. Supreme Court already said that we could.
I requested you to show up. Are you the one that was on call for show up?
Sergeant.
Yeah, I requested you. Okay, well, she didn't obviously tell you that I did request you over here. And so when we were walking up to the scene, she's already detained my husband and put him in handcuffs for walking on the sidewalk.
Same thing she was saying.
Saying that he can't do that. I actually got video of all that. I'm not put on a complaint on that, but I am going to. Same happens today. They come up and they start approaching us. We were already standing right here on this other line, and they pushed us back all the way. He sidestepped. He goes in the road. He's going to get jaywalking when there was no traffic. There's a both way sidewalk intersection. He had no right to say that. And these other three officers, he can walk across all he wants. So I don't know why this give and take and all this. And stop being so arrogant too. She doesn't have a body camera. And anytime you're supposed to.
I don't think yours is on either.
You need to have a body camera on.
So there's several of them on right now.
Well, she is one that's holding the line from us. So she didn't have it on. He didn't have his on. He wasn't see it. And he said that he wasn't involved. You were told you to watch it.
I wasn't engaging with you guys. Just safe security.
See that one, peeps? See how that one's on right there? That one ain't on.
So this is
Anyways,
right now.
we have the rights to film the police in public. We have the right
This
to
right now
walk
is
down the sidewalk. She
wanted
does
some
not have
space
her
around a
dog
car
out.
because you're gonna bring the dog out. So I just wanted to get you there.
But we just don't need sarcasm. We want the city.
The bully tactic.
We want to come out one time where there's no video, where you guys are doing something to violate somebody's rights. And I have several videos, and I have not went in and made a single complaint about it. But I literally am getting to the point.
Well, these videos should be the complaints, actually.
Yeah, it is. And you have violated my husband before. You have, and you know that you have. You shoved and pushed him around. You know.
That's your husband?
Yeah. And you went. And you shoved him.
Is that your kid?
That looks good, huh? That looks good on your officers, huh?
Yeah, you did. Almost 100,000.
That looks dumb. That makes your officers
You guys aren't saying that.
immature.
Can you guys?
Professional. And I told them in the past, when I put you on blast, you probably seen it. I was 52,000 views. Your face on there, you're all, you are this, huh? You looked immature, basically. You still are immature. You haven't learned any.
I don't, I've never asked him.
Ironic,
Never talked to him. I talked to him personally, but I've never had to take
That's
anything
crazy.
there.
Nice.
Crazy. I mean,
Never
no,
bring
do
her
your
around.
research, watch
I
your
do my
social
own
blog.
thing, and she has to do her own thing, and when she can come out, she comes out.
But it's kind of weird.
We're all at work. Well, watch a few other videos, maybe you'll see it.
Or anything like that, but to be threatening for arrest, and we're walking down this sidewalk here.
That's a violation of our rights.
We're just right here standing, so we have the right to stand here.
Do you know the Fourth Amendment?
You guys got guns, canines, you're trained. What do we have on us? Absolutely nothing.
Yeah,
Well, like I said, just at this point, I just need this space because of the dog. Right?
No,
And
she could have just said,
so.
I'm going to pull out the dog. She didn't even tell us that the whole entire time.
So, Sergeant, do you know what the Fourth Amendment is?
What's that?
Well, so you know what the Fourth Amendment is?
That's not you.
What's that?
No, she told you that.
Want me to take this?
Insane, guys.
I know, I'll take it. I was just wondering. Here, come here.
So why is it that if you guys took an oath to protect our rights, our constitutional rights, that you guys don't, protect those rights? The first thing you guys do, like I said, you guys pull up, and instead of just saying, hey, something's wrong with your vehicle, be on your way, you got the rights to travel. Why do we have to have this paper to say you can travel? Do you know what?
I don't know what you're talking about, dude.
What the? My
It's
God.
like saying
Every
if somebody
time.
has a tail light out, it's not a criminal, it's not a crime. It's a violation for you guys. But to walk up and just say, hey, you got a tail light out. Be on your way, get it fixed.
You served and protect.
No ticket, no, let me see your driver's license, let me see your proof of insurance, let me see your registration. All of that for just that.
Traffic
and then
infraction.
You give them a ticket for it. It's just weird that we see
That's going
really
against our Fourth
often,
Amendment.
That you guys need all that
It's not
information.
against the Fourth Amendment.
Yes, it is, because you guys are illegal.
You're right.
Because you guys are illegally searching our
there's
name
no crime.
when there's no crime. It's a traffic infraction. A crime is when when there's an injured party,
When
right?
I have the VIN number,
Right?
a
Violation of
license
state law.
plate,
No, none of that. That's all policy stuff. See? Oh, you guys see? That's what. That goes against the Constitution, though. You understand the Constitution? You guys don't understand that part, right? That's what you guys need. That's why we're out here, because you guys are not understanding.
A long time ago, and these policies took over, and it's easy to violate people and collect revenue.
That's what you guys
There are
don't
simple
understand.
Little things that the tag on the car, this license tab, that license itself, the VIN number, all has to conspire with that vehicle having the tail light out.
issue with that, that would be something to take
So
out
you
to the
violate
state
the law.
legislature.
See, and you guys don't even want to. You guys don't even want to get
None of
together,
you guys
so you guys don't look
in my
stupid
car
out here.
help
That's
us
what's
with
fucked
that.
up.
That's
You guys
what
can't get together and be like, hey,
continue to violate.
they're kind of putting us on blast everywhere we go. All states. Look it up. Oh my God! So you guys don't have no say. So you guys are gonna do what the Nazi soldier said. I just doing what I told. I'm just doing what I told. I'm just doing what I told. Because you guys violate people's rights. That's it.
For a long
To the
time.
state legislature?
Yeah.
But that'd be for the
Been
citizens,
violating,
right?
seen people
The
violating.
citizen, you're unhappy with
But
the
you're
way it
not
works?
part of a
You can't have. You have no authority. You have no authority to help out.
Everybody has the right to take that up with the state, with the lawmakers.
But
and
you
get
don't
these
have to
changed.
worry about it because
And you guys don't want to worry about that.
Now you're just making assumptions about it.
What do you mean? You guys don't take the initiative to come up to when you guys were training each other.
About you, officer. You've been really cordial. I really appreciate you have been. These other ones, I'm really honestly, they haven't been. Especially you. You have been really
word and I was offended.
You've been really sarcastic. And yeah, we know you should not use that because
I'm sorry. Shit, what the come on, man.
you really should.
It's feelings, please. They're not here for any kind of feelings. I got the First Amendment. I could flip them off if I want to, right? Okay, then I'm not being that route. But I just wanted to get it into their head. Like, okay, look up those audit videos.
These words don't come out in the way that you guys like it, and it's not as precise,
Educated.
or choppy, that you guys just brush him off. I want to hear him out like he's just nothing and nobody, but he is somebody and he is something. And so, yeah, I'm just tired of seeing so many videos. I've seen now over 100 videos where he just walks up and literally the Gross is the one that shoved him around. Like, I could count 7 officers that just walked up and violated his rights instantly. And I know
I wasn't here for
constitutional
that, so I
law.
don't know anything
No,
about
I'm
that
not
one.
You check out those. You check out those First Amendment audit videos.
A complaint that you want to take about something, if something happened, I totally encourage you to go do that, right? Whether it's
And I
talking to
thank
that
you for-
individual supervisor or going to the station to have like the kiosk there
Yes.
to make the complaint. Or you said, the deputy chief, he wanted to, make some like in-person complaint. I would completely encourage you to do that.
I will, because there is just so much of it, and it's just like unnecessary that they're all well protected. There was no reason for intimidation. See how nice this, hey, you guys, take a book out of take a page out of this guy's book right here. Sorry, they might not get thirsty. Seriously, they just continue to do that.
And they know who I am.
And it's not just
All they do is
other people.
monitor, and they want to antagonize me like if I'm antagonizing them, and I don't. I step up, and as soon as they want to come at me, hey, well, it's on. You know, yeah, well, because they shouldn't. I'm monitoring. I could do it, and they should already know, and that's all I do. And if they wouldn't say nothing, I wouldn't say nothing. Sarcastic. Why? What for?
Okay. And I think like when they're doing these stops or contacts, you know, they're doing their job, whether it's a violation of a traffic thing or maybe a saw a person with a warrant. I think I remember what it was like last month. We had someone with a warrant up there. I can't remember. You came up and I talked to you just for like a second.
Believe so. I don't.
And so they're doing a job. And so it does kind of divide their attention if they got
But
somebody else.
they know him, and they
Okay.
know.
And I don't yell at them. I wait till they're doing their thing, and then they want to go and push me around and like, hey,
So I
you know what I'm doing.
Contact went, so I mean, you know,
No, we just
to get
started
their
walking
story,
up.
I guess,
They seen
talking
us
to
from
me.
a distance
Okay.
coming. They already knew he wears a hat often. They already knew who he was.
Okay.
They started hurry up and wrapping it up, and we're like, okay. We walked up a couple lines. I'm not gonna, because they don't want us to go that close. Which, honestly, there's no law, but unless they push us back to where they feel comfortable, that's as far as the law goes on that. Or if they put up tape or those kind of things, you know. But this is a public sidewalk. We had the right all the way up until they told us, and we didn't even go that far for them to have to tell us and stop in front of this vehicle here, a couple lines up. And that's when they approached
And
us.
if I would have
and
stepped
we
one
need
more
to go
step, they
all
would
the
have
way back and
put hands
they
on.
don't-
I guarantee
They
it.
did not need to do that.
You know, and it's like-
The guy, there was nobody around this vehicle at the time. We had the guy back there in the car. Other officers were back there. We didn't go any further. They just got intimidated by the cameras showing up, and they knew who he was, and they were going to be on it, and that was that. But Peoples has ran across my husband a few times, and she has violated his rights. And
She
just
did
again
put me in
recently
cuffs and put
told
me in the
he
car.
can't be there recording
Because I was
on
doing the exact
sidewalk
same thing, and
when they were doing
now
the
she's
canine
inviting me to
training
go.
over there at the tow yard when he was clearly on the sidewalk, 50 feet away from where they're training their dogs with a gate in front of him and everything. Had total right, and she just like, you can't film here. You can't be telling people that they can't film in public.
That's what we're
Yeah,
talking about,
police
flirting the
doing
the
their
First
job.
Amendment and the
That's-
I don't know
Constitution.
anything about, like I said, I wasn't there.
Yeah.
That's why I was saying if something happens in the moment, you could like have a complaint about the way an officer took something or handle something. Give us a call, make that complaint, have a supervisor come out.
That's why I just said, can I have a supervisor, because it was
So I
getting
can't,
way
like,
too.
yeah, I don't know anything about
Tyrant.
those other incidents. I wasn't there. I don't know anything about them. But
No, I know you don't.
If you
and-
feel like there was something was done wrong, that's why we have
well,
this
it's a
system
couple.
for
It's
making
actually
complaints.
3 of them that he's had
Action
encounters
with, you know.
And so that's why we just said, okay, now we're surrounded for no reason. They're not even paying attention to their crime scene, and they're directing their attention to us. And so that's why I requested a supervisor. I mean, doesn't that seem like that's the best thing to do, and that they were well protected to do their thing? And we did come to the distance they told us, so we didn't say no, we're not gonna, and we didn't stand our ground.
I appreciate you, doing that.
Yeah.
And so, like I say, on the other side, as far as they've got something going on over here,
Nope, we'll
they have
stand
to
our
direct their
distance.
attention to somebody else.
But
Those
that
get
intimidation on
frustrated,
citizens, that should be, I mean, look, it's just you now. Look how much you de-escalate the situation.
Because that's all they need.
You
They
wanna-
learn how to
talk-
de-escalate.
They don't.
Well, it's just especially
I
too
don't know their
when
names.
they know.
I'm not gonna,
and
but the one with the great pants, she was
come up
really,
and they
honestly,
know him. I mean, maybe if it was
other than
somebody
just being
random.
the way that she is, and just so
I know it'd be
bossy
different,
and all that kind
but-
of, which is, I expected from her, I mean, but not to violate people's rights. The other one, yeah, she just, we asked her about the body cam, we asked her, for her name and badge. She didn't even want to do that, and then she just kept like, oh man, yeah, man, like, okay, don't play that kind of cop. It just doesn't work for you, honestly.
And like I said, I don't know as far as the body cam. Sometimes because they have the battery life, and so they've been doing a lot of stuff. So they got to take them off, charge it, before they can put it back on.
But it is your guys'
Might be the
policy
incident.
for them to
So
wear
if
it
they're
while
taking, if they're
interacting.
on an enforcement action, then that's when that camera has to be on, right? If they're taking enforcement action.
Okay.
So,
Body cam policy confusion. When taking or threatening enforcement, cams should be on. Transparency reduces, he said/she said, and protects both sides.
I don't know if maybe that was the case for the, so I don't know if that's the case for as far as maybe her battery was, I can look into that. But if they're not taking any, so like I said, enforcement action, body cam on.
Yep.
All right, man. That's all we were wanting to let these guys know, is just to learn the Constitution, you know. Like I said, I don't know if you know.
What's that?
Pocket Constitution, you know. It's good to have.
That is good to have.
You know, you guys are sitting,
Everybody
you guys
should have
sit,
a copy of that,
you guys are sitting, you know, sitting around sometimes. Just look it up and know what, you know, what our rights are. You guys took an oath. That's what I tell them. They took an oath to protect our rights, and that's about it. That's all we come out here for. Check out the First Amendment audit videos on YouTube, and it's every single state. It's every single state has people going out there saying, hey, there's a bit much of overstepping. We got rights, and that's it. And if we just...
Even if it's not like we're trying to impede or go walk up, we're just protecting everybody all the way around. I mean, we're not trying to violate it or hurt anybody or put anybody out on blast. You know, we don't... Conversations, we don't record unless they're up to us. You know, I mean, we sound that all out, personal stuff, but I mean, it is in public and it could be put out there if they don't keep it private, so, you know, but we don't do that kind of stuff. But yeah, just letting your officers know we've never meant any real ill and that we're always just out watching.
Understand. Like I said, I mean, if you feel like there's something that happened, something wrong,
I will
something
on
worthy,
people's and girls. We did put a complaint, and it was Ross. Is it Ross? Or Roski?
Oh, the chief?
Yeah, chief. Yeah, we did. We already have one with one of the other officers that came up there. So. But I will talk to Cook about some things. I think I will have a personal conversation with him. I'll go over with him before I actually do my cars, but there is a couple that need to be. But you were awesome today. I really appreciate you. If we had every officer like you out here,
de-escalate and understand, be understandable.
Like
that's it. We got rights, and that's it. Be understandable, have compassion.
All right. Well, is there anything else I can do for you?
No, you can
right now.
Okay. Thank you.
So let's see it. We're just waiting to finish up here, but just give them their space. And, we'll talk to them as far as
Actually,
whatever else
you've been
happens.
awesome, so we're gonna walk away.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
No arrest of the auditors here. The encounter de-escalates when a supervisor engages, discusses distance, and the parties separate. Key takeaways. 1. Filming from a public place is lawful unless you're actually interfering. 2. If officers want more space, they should mark a perimeter. 3. Ask for a supervisor and note names/badge numbers. 4. Body cams should be active during enforcement.